guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like 3-stack video animation on CapCut PC. So go to mask, and I'm just going to grab the mirror one, and I'm just going to adjust the like frame here, like the size. Copy and paste that, and you're just going to move it down here where the second one is, and you're going to then copy and paste that and then move it here. The sizing is a little bit off, so let me just go back and make it, I guess, smaller. Okay, hopefully this is the correct size. If not, we'll just go with it because it will take so long to add it. Okay, that's good enough. Then you're just going to separate them like this and like here. So they all like, actually, no, you can't do that because they're going to be all in like different durations. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click, create compound clip on all of them, and I'm just going to also turn off auto snapping, and I'm just going to do this instead. Like that. And I'm also going to like go to adjustments here, and I'm just going to add a keyframe. I'm going to make this black and white first until like here. And then like here, I'm just going to turn up the saturation, and I'm going to do that for all of the like videos that we have. Then I'm just going to do it normally for the last one. And that's pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!